I must sound a bit controversial today, but just follow me. I've been bothered as to why interior designers always go for an all-white interior, and while I was still pondering, I saw this tweet from Apricot Doctor and I was like, yes, someone is talking about it, especially someone outside the industry. Now, take a look at what he tweeted. He wrote, interior designers need to start doing a better job at designing houses. Everywhere white, like saying a hospital. Too much stimulation. A house is supposed to be calming and colors matter a lot. That was what he wrote. White can make a space feel fresh and airy, but have you ever thought about its drawbacks? There are downsides to decorating with too much white, and I'll mention a few and then go ahead to tell you how to go about it in a better way. Too much white can lead to a lack of contrast and depth, making your space feel a bit flat and uninteresting. Harsh lighting alert. Those bright white walls can sometimes create glare and a clinical atmosphere, just as Apricot Doctor pointed out. And let's not forget the lack of warmth. White can give your space a chilly vibe, especially in cold seasons. Sometimes you need that warmth and the vibrance warm colors give. And my biggest concern of all times, maintenance. Anyone with white, every speck of dirt is on display, meaning more cleaning than more enjoying. Who wants that? So let's turn things around with some tips for a balanced and inviting white space. Firstly, you need to add contrast. Start by adding contrast. Bold accents like black or navy blue can add depth and interest to your space. You need to also incorporate warmth. Don't forget coziness. Natural textures like wood or woven textiles can warm up your space and make it feel cozy. You also need to opt for soft lighting. Say goodbye to harsh overhead lights and say hello to a warm and inviting ambience, because an all-white space with white bright light feels like something like this. Adding neutrals is also something to consider. Neutral shades like beige, cream, gray can add depth while keeping that airy feel intact, because the aim of using white most times is to keep it airy and open. Other neutrals that I've mentioned can also help with that. So remember, white can be stunning. I'm not saying you shouldn't design with white. It can be stunning and beautiful, but balance is key. Create harmony with these tips to design better with white if you love it so much. If you're excited about this design as I am, hit the like button and share these tips with your fellow decor enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next time,